discover the Oceaneva 6,000-meter masterpiece for collectors seeking rarity, precision, and timeless craftsmanship. Forged from grade 5 titanium, this marvel balances unmatched strength with a feather-light weight of just 4.6 ounces. Engineered to withstand depths of 6,000 meters, it features Swiss SW200 automatic movement and grade Swiss Luminova, delivering exceptional performance and reliability. What sets the 6,000 meter apart is its exclusivity, only 50 pieces per model variant, each meticulously numbered and paired with a stainless steel certificate of authenticity. Its distinctive design includes a black wave relief dial, Virginia Beach statue engraving, Damascus steel bezel, and a 6mm domed sapphire crystal, making it a true collector's treasure. This isn't just a watch, it's an heirloom, a statement of sophistication and a nod to enduring luxury. Limited to only 500 pieces, with shipping beginning July 2025, the 6,000 meter is calling for its place in your collection. Claim your numbered edition before it's gone forever.